everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how you can log in into the Soundcloud from your PC. Now to do that, open a Google browser on your PC and then click open a new tab. There on the search bar, you type in soundcloud.com and press enter. It will direct you to the official webpage of SoundCloud. Here on the official webpage, you need to click on sign in over here at the right side of your screen. Click that. Now to sign in, you need to provide your email address. You can also sign in with Facebook, Google or Apple. If you click on this link over here, continue with Facebook, continue with Google, continue with Apple, you will be easily logged in into the SoundCloud with just one click. But here we're going to go with the email process. So type in the email address over here and then click on continue. Then you type in the password and then click on sign in. And with that, you will be easily logged in into the SoundCloud account of yours. So this is how you can log in into the SoundCloud account of yours on PC. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.